Hello, how you going today everyone? I hope you're all well. I found a very interesting site that you might find useful, especially if you're interested in keeping track of your profits in play-to-earn games like CryptoBlades, and also keeping track of your liquidity farming pools on BSC, making your positions super simple to track. If that sounds good to you, please punch that like button, and if you're not subscribed already, please subscribe and activate the bell button to get the latest videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So just go over to DefiMax.com, you'll see the link in the description. All you need to do is paste in your wallet address and press enter. It reads the blockchain and finds out how much you are making or losing in popular protocols or play-to-earn games on BSC, helping you keep track of how much you are making or losing, hopefully the former. I'll give you an example of how to keep track of your liquidity farming first, and after that I'll show you how it works with CryptoBlades and other play-to-earn games. Okay, so here is one of my LPs in PancakeSwap. It's Cake and Wrapped BNB in one of the farms, and it just tells me a little bit of information about it. The total value of around $12,896. Okay, and it also shows me how much APR I'm getting, which is around 34%, and it tells me how much cake is pending. Okay, but it also has some very important information as well. Okay, I click the I button, okay, and it gives me some impermanent loss information. Okay, and here we have the HODL value. Okay, and this value is what the value would be if I had not put BNB or cake in the pool at all. This would just be held separately in my wallet, and that would be $12,858. And this value here is my actual value, $12,895. Okay, it's a little bit more because I've earned some rewards from the transaction going in and out of the pool. So that's called LP earnings. Okay, and also on top of that, I have some cake rewards, and this is just the current cake. I usually claim it every day. The total current value doesn't include the rewards that I've made from cake. Okay, so there you go. And just below here, you have some pool information. Okay, and on the right is a tab LP history. This will tell you when you added or subtracted from the pool. Okay, so I've just connected one of my CryptoBlades accounts to DefiMax, and this is some of the information that you're going to get. Okay, so what does it tell you? It just gives you some basic information that you probably already know and you don't need this for, but it also gives you some information that you may not know. Okay, and let's check it out. Okay, what does it tell you? It tells you how much you've invested. Okay, this is the total characters, weapons, shields minted or purchased in skill, and there you go. I've got almost 5 skill invested, $235 at today's price. Okay, it tells you how much I've claimed in skill before, 4.68 skill, $220. And it also shows me my profit or loss. Okay, it's in red color because I've actually lost money, unfortunately, like most of us. Okay, what is the profit? It is the claimed plus the unclaimed plus staking minus invested minus gas. Okay, so it takes that into account, which is really valuable information. So you can see below here, look at this. In this account only, I've spent $104.72 in gas alone. Okay, you know what? If I didn't know about this site, DefiMax, I would not have realized I've spent so much in gas in just one account. Okay, and I have 17. So yeah, we have to take this into consideration. Okay guys, so that is pretty darn valuable information. I think it's pretty important, especially with play-to-earn games, that we have to really take into consideration, are we actually making money or not making money? Okay, as you know, I'm a bit of a CryptoBlades bull, like most of us, but unfortunately it's not making money for us at the moment, so it is good just to keep track of how much we're actually making or not making in this case. Okay, we have to be realistic of what we're actually, the purpose of play-to-earn games is to actually earn money, right? Of course, the most important thing for me is the site's ability to keep track of our profitability, but it does have one other nifty little feature that I wanted to mention. Probably most of you are already using CryptoBlades Tracker, website's fight simulator. Well, it is very similar to that, where you just choose a character, sword and stamina, and you get an accurate percentage of your chances of winning your next fight. But DefiMax just gives you a little extra info about your overall expenses versus your profits, which is so very important for play to earn gaming. Check this site out. It's called DefiMax. You're going to get a lot of information, and it doesn't have many play to earn games on here at the moment. Okay, let's check it out. What does it actually have? It has CryptoBlades and Dungeon Swap. That's it. Okay, it has CryptoBlades and Dungeon Swap at the moment. Okay, but I heard that they're working on including some other play to earn games. Okay, but it's not just about play to earn games, it's also about just being able to track your LP tokens, and if your LP tokens are not suffering too much from impermanent loss. Alright, and it's all in one place. Okay, so it's very convenient tool, so I totally recommend checking it out. It's free. Okay, all you have to do is paste in your wallet address, and you might learn something that you didn't realize, especially me. I didn't realize I was losing so much money. I really didn't want to look at that, but it's reality. I have to understand that. Oh yeah, one other thing. DefiMax doesn't actually have a token yet. So what does that mean? It means that in the future, when they decide to create a token, they may reward early users of their protocol. But that is unconfirmed. So just to summarize, DefiMax can help you track your farms and avoid impermanent loss. It can help you keep track of your profits and play to earn games like CryptoBlades. It doesn't have a token yet, and there is a possibility of a future airdrop. And finally, it's free. Anyway, I thought you might find that interesting. It seems like a good little tool to try out. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please punch that like button and feel free to leave any comments below. Have a great day everyone. Bye for now.